list of nominees for representation in the East Africa Legislative Assembly. Now, away from that, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Nurdin Haji, has officially withdrawn the 7.5 billion shilling graft case facing Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. The DPP earlier today told Magistrate Wakumile that the decision comes to allow the DCI to fully investigate the matter and submit the file for further directions. The Anti-Corruption Court in Nairobi has given prosecutors 3 weeks to review the 7.4 billion shilling corruption charges against Deputy President Gachagua and 9 others.
We urge Your Honor to affix your seal of approval to this application to withdraw the prosecution of the accused persons. Your Honor, when we first appeared in court, we were before your brother, your brother Honorable Mugambi, on the 26th of July 2021. And the only accused person who stood on the dock on that day was the first accused. Because my clients are a clear indication of the accused persons who are used as collateral in this case. Your Honor, I do confirm that having perused all the statements and the document that was availed to us by the Office of the DPP, I can authoritatively state that